I'm a storyteller because when people ask me what I do, I tell them how I be. If you are to be really successful, it's not that you're going to do it, be aware that you can do it for a period of time until eventually you aren't doing it anymore. You just are it. I'm not an artist. I'm not a storyteller because I say that I'm a storyteller. I'm a storyteller because when people ask me what I do, I tell them how I be. What I do is just a collection of nows that I do repeatedly. And what I've done and what I am and what I be is that I just storytell. In my natural state, I love this. So people ask me, like, what's the point of you running a podcast? How are you going to monetize it? I'm like, stop worrying about monetizing it. Start just doing it for the sake of building the habits, building the pattern, and understand that if I do, eventually I just am it. And then people are like, wow, you've got a lot of people who are paying attention somehow because you are an artist. And art captures attention indefinitely. All kinds of art captures attention. And the more focused that art, the more likely it is a company and the more it builds into the other things. Now, of course, I could teach you all the specifics of how to build a company and then not only build your own version of doing and being, but then inspire it in others and inspire it in an organized manner that's not only your time, but they're in their time, and that's a company. Or that's an organization, if you will. Right? That's all it is. It's just me hacking your time, saying this is the way that, here's the mission, and here's how I think you can best serve the mission. So if you can spend your time and energy and your art helping this mission, you are now part of the company. The company is just a vision, and it holds that vision as much as possible. If you can maintain holding that vision as much as you possibly can, and all you need to do is do it repeatedly, then you are it. So when I said the best way that you can become a coach is to start coaching, even if you're doing it for free. Coach everywhere you go with every person you interact with. Understand that every person you met somebody yesterday, as an example.
Yeah.
And this guy was like, I'm recently divorced. I'm all these things, right? He basically said, and what did he say? He basically said that you were living his dream.
Yeah, that's what he said. He was almost starstruck by me in my van.
Great.
Which was very honorable because, when you get confident with something, it just becomes like, it's my life now. But for him to be like really amazed and that he wanted to just give me he ended up giving me a bag of apples and blueberries because he was just like so honored to be in my presence.
Yeah.
And yeah, that was wonderful because then I was able to get his contact information. And now hopefully he's going to come to the meetup that I'm organizing on Thursday.
So see how simple that was? You had a driving billboard. You were just being, and somebody noticed your art, was like, oh, I'm curious. Tell me more. And because you were receptive enough to understand that, you, without knowing it, have a lead.